What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be showing you audio editing in Audacity, which is an audio editing program. So today I'll be showing you how you can improve the quality of your audio and also how you can reduce the noise, the background noise in the audio that you're recording. So I'll be showing you the basics, and this is the Audacity window that you will be seeing as soon as you open up your Audacity program. This right here, right next to the microphone icon, is the way that your voice is going to be recorded. I keep it on Windows Direct Sound. The MME is like more of a mono audio, so I'll keep it on Direct Sound. This is what I like. And then you can choose right to the next to the microphone icon, which microphone you're gonna actually use for recording your audio. I'll be keeping my actual microphone which I use for recording videos. There's also another option of using with my webcam, which you're actually seeing through this face cam through, but this webcam microphone sucks, so I'm gonna keep it at my actual microphone. Then you can choose between recording in stereo or mono. I'll keep it at stereo because stereo is definitely better. And then the output which through which your audio will be playing, this is primary sound driver, which is actually the sound driver which is in my PC through which the audio comes out. If I plug my speaker or headphone to it, this is what the audio will play back through. So this is the program itself. You can see this is where you actually record the audio. This is the record button. So if we start recording the audio, let's just say for sample, we're gonna mess with that audio and actually edit it, and I'll show you what we can do with it. So for example, if I have to say something by recording it, I'm gonna click on it. What's up guys, this is another mic test video of Audacity, and today I'll be showing you some tutorial. So if I stop recording this and play this again. What's up guys, this is another mic test video of Audacity, and today I'll be showing you some tutorial. So this is the audio that we just recorded. Now as you can see, this audio is good, but it's not like it's perfect. So we can mess with this a lot in a lot of ways. And first of all, that what I like to do is actually increase the bass and treble to the audio. Bass is gonna add more depth to the voice and make it look like something like, more of like a deep thing. So let's just highlight this whole part of the audio that we recorded. Just click and drag your mouse around and this will get highlighted, and then go to effect and then go to bass and treble. Now what bass and treble is, bass is gonna add more depth, treble is gonna add more to the highs of the audio that you recorded, and then you can also choose in the output gain, which is gonna make your voice more loud. So let's just keep everything to normal first, maybe 1 for now. Come down. Okay, so I'm gonna choose the bass at level 4 because this is what I like. It adds pretty good depth to the voice. It can depend on different microphones and how you want it, so this is just the way I do it, but I keep the bass at 4 and the treble at 1.5. I'm just gonna type this 1.5, and the volume I'm gonna keep the output gain at like 3. So as soon as I apply this thing, it's going to apply to the highlighted part that we selected before actually going to the bass and treble panel. So just like apply this thing, and as you can see, the waveform changed, like it became bigger. This means the effect has been applied and the audio is gonna sound a little different. Let's just play this thing. What's up guys, this is another mic test video of Audacity, and today I'll be showing you some tutorial. So as you can see, the voice is a bit different and more depth to the voice. We can still mess with this thing a lot. As you can see, there is a lot of background noise, you can say. Just select that part of the audio in which you have not said anything at all. You need to make sure that you have not said anything in that part, so just highlight this part, and as you can see, there's nothing, no waveform in that, which means that we have not said anything in this part, and this is going to show us what the background sound is like without talking. So if you can play this, so as you can see, there's like a little bit of noise right here. We can also choose this part which is empty. Most of this thing consists of my breathing. Alright, this part looks perfect. So this is a part of the sound that we do not want in the entire audio. So just highlight this part and then go to effect and then go to noise reduction. Just click on it and then select get noise profile. So what get noise profile does is it actually selects that part of the audio that you selected and gets a noise profile, which means it gets an idea of what the noise is like in the background. So it's only going to affect that sound when you apply it to the whole audio. So just click on noise profile, get noise profile. It's going to get the profile of your noise, and then go back. Before going back, just select the whole audio this time, go to effect and then go to noise reduction, and then the step 2 will be unlocked. As you can see, now the noise reduction is normally at 6 decibels, but I'm going to keep it at like 10 decibels. The sensitivity, it all depends on you. What do you want? How much of the noise reduction do you want? But make sure you don't overdo it, because overdoing the noise reduction is actually gonna mess with the actual audio that you have recorded. So make sure you don't do that. Just mess around with this as you like. I'm gonna keep it at 7.5, and don't mess with much with frequency smoothing bands. I don't like do this. Like, I just keep it at 5 or 4. Let's just keep it at 4 and then click on OK. So if you play the sound again, you're gonna see a little bit of difference between the previous audio and the next audio. The noise is gonna be much different. You can see. I'm gonna play this again. What's up guys, this is another mic test video of Audacity, and today I'll be showing you some tutorial. So as you can see, there's like much more reduction to the noise in the background. That's for the basics. Now you can also mess with some other things I'm gonna show. If you go select the audio and then go to equalization, you can actually see this new panel window open, if which will actually help you to like equalize this thing in a different waves. Now you can select different curves. There's actually a lot of curves which have been provided by Audacity themselves. You can choose between telephone, low roll, cut for speech, and there's actually a lot of options. I usually go with a low roll of for speech, because most of my Audacity audio is actually about me talking, so I want the audio to be perfect. So if you click on low roll for speech and then go OK, this is actually going to enhance the audio in the way that it sounds perfect just for the talking. So this is what it's going to do. And there are actually many different effects. You can actually reverse this whole audio by clicking on the reverse effect. It's gonna play the audio in reverse. I don't know why you want to do that, but it's still there if you want to. So if you can do this, just and if that sounds like South Korean, it doesn't matter. You can actually undo this. Just go Ctrl+Z. It's going to go back. What's up guys, this alright, that's perfect. So there's actually many different effects that you can mess around with. You can change the pitch, you can like amplify your sound, distortion, echo. There's a lot of things that you can do. If you go to echo, you let's just select the whole audio first and then go to echo, and let's say we can set the delay of the echo like for 3 seconds or maybe 2 seconds, and then the decay factor like 0.7 or 0.8, then click on OK. Now this is going to sound much of like an echo-ish sound, like you can see. What's up guys, this is another mic test video of Audacity, and this sucks, but it's still there. I mean, it just depends on the way you want the audio to be. Maybe you're editing in video and you actually need the effect, but I'm just gonna go back. So many effects you can try with Audacity. I just showed you the basics today of actual noise reduction and different stuff. You can also save the audio if you want. Just go to file and then just save the audio by exporting it. Export it as MP3 or .wav file. Just know what you want. So this is for the basics. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up or subscribe if you want. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you guys in the next one.